Hello everyone. So today's my topic is observing, reporting and action in case of common post-operative complication, pain. Post-operative pain is the discomfort experienced after surgery due to tissue damage and the body inflammation response. While some pain is expected, severe or uncontrolled pain can negatively affect recovery. Patient may avoid coughing, deep breathing, or moving because of pain, increasing the risk of complications such as pneumonia or blood clots. Therefore, effective pain management is an important part of post-operative nursing care. Observation is the first step in managing post-operative pain. Nurses assess pain using standardized pain scale such as the numeric rating scale from 0 to 10. They ask where the pain is located, how long it has been present, and what it feels like. In addition, nurses observe non-verbal signs such as facing, restlessness, guarding of the wound, the changes in heart rate or blood pressure. Continuous assessment help determine whether the pain is improving or worsening. After assessment, nurse must report their finding promptly and accurately. Important information includes the patient pain score, location, severity, onset, and response to pain medication. Nurses should also report symptoms such as fever, swelling, or excessive bleeding, which may indicate complications. Many hospitals use the SBAR communication method, which help healthcare professionals communicate patient information clearly and efficiently. Nurses' intervention include both medication and non-medication methods. Analgesics should be administered according to the doctor's prescription and the patient response should be reassessed within 30 to 60 minutes. Non-pharmacological methods such as repositioning, relaxation, exercise, deep breathing, emotional reassurance, and early mobilization also help reduce pain. Combining these approaches usually provide the best pain relief. Effective pain management has many benefits. Patients become more comfortable and are able to move earlier, which improves circulation and lung function. Good pain control also promotes faster wound healing, reduces the risk of complications such as pneumonia and deep vein thrombosis, shortens hospital stay, and improves overall patient satisfaction. Managing pain is therefore an essential part of quality post-operative care. In conclusion, post-operative pain is the common but manageable when healthcare professionals follow a systematic approach, careful observation, accurate reporting, timely intervention, and continuous reassessment ensure safely and effective pain management. By working together as a healthcare team, we can improve patient comfort, promote healing, and reduce post-operative complications.